Good morning, class. This morning we'll be looking at polynomial long division. But before I look at that topic, I'm going to review briefly long division, normal long division. So the number that appears first would go inside our division box. The number that appears second would go on the outside. And we would say, how many 12s can we get from 27? And we know that is 2. Second step is we multiply our divisor by 2. That is 24. After we have gotten our product, we subtract. And the difference is 3. Now there are two ways we can write our answer. We can say 27 divided by 12 is equal to 2 remainder 3. Or I can say 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2, 3 over 12. And we can go further by simplifying the fractional part. And that would be 1 over 4. Now for this portion right here, two is our quotient, 3 is our remainder, and 12 is our divisor. So what I've just done, I'm going to apply it to polynomial long division. Alright, so here we have two expressions. I'm going to divide this quadratic expression by this linear expression. And I'm going to apply the same principles in normal long division to this type of division. Step 1, I'm going to draw a division box. Step 2, I'm going to write the first expression inside. And our second expression goes on the outside. Right. The first step is to divide. So I'm going to say x into x squared, and that is x. When I say x into x squared, this is what I mean. X squared divided by x, and that is x times x over x. So we know that x squared means x times x. Alright, now these can cancel, So we are left with x. That's how we got the x right here. All right. Or you can say x to the 1. Last week we looked at the laws of exponents, and we learned that when we're dividing and the bases are the same, you keep the base and subtract the exponents, and you would get x to the 1, which is the same as x. So that's another way of understanding what I mean by saying x into x squared. So x into x squared is x. All right. Next step, I'm going to multiply my divisor by x, just like what we did in the previous slide. Okay, we're using the same principle for normal long division. All right, so we're going to multiply our divisor by x. So we're going to say x times x is x squared, and x times 4 is 4x. All right. And after we have multiplied, we are going to subtract. All right. And we subtract coming down. All right. So we are going to say x squared minus x squared. That gives us 0 or nothing. So I'm going to leave this part blank. Okay. Then I'm going to say 10x minus 4x, and that is 6x. After you have subtracted, you're going to bring this number down. And after you have brought this number down, you're going to repeat the process. So remember that now. So each time you bring down, you're going to repeat the process. So when you repeat the process, you're going to start with division again. So what you're going to say is x into 6x, that is 6. And when I say x into 6x, I mean 6x divided by x, and that is 6 times x over x. The x's cancel, and you're left with 6. That's how we got our 6 right here. All right. So after we have divided, we're going to multiply our divisor by 6. So 6 times x, 6x. 6 times 4, that's 24. And after we have multiplied, we are going to subtract. All right. So 6x, and we're going to subtract coming down, top to bottom. So we say 6x minus 6x, that is 0, or we can leave the space blank right here. Then you're going to say 3 minus 24. 3 minus 24. So the top number is written first, and our bottom number is written second. All right, so 3 take away 24, that is going to give us negative 21. All right, so our remainder here is negative 21. All right, so we can write our answer in two ways. So answer, we can say x plus 6 remainder negative 21. That's your answer. Or you can say x plus 6 and plus means and negative 21, which is our remainder, over our over x plus 4, which is our divisor. All right, so our answer when we divide x squared plus 10x plus 3 by x plus 4 is x plus 6 remainder negative 21, or x plus 6 plus negative 21 over x plus 4. All right, and like in normal long division, what we got at the top here is our quotient. All right, and what we got for our remainder goes right here. So remainder, and what we have right here is our divisor. All right, and notice it is similar to what we had for normal long division. All right, so when we divided 27 by 12, we got 2 to be our quotient, and we got 3 to be our remainder, and we got 12 to be our divisor. All right, so to have a good understanding of this topic, you need to remember the steps that you would take for normal long division. And if you need to understand this video, this concept, I would advise you to re-watch this video. Okay, have a good day, and look out for my next posted assignment.